Hey guys, what's going on? Today we are going to get started on some welding and some reinforcements on the chassis. I got this nice big 1/4 inch steel plate, and what we're going to be doing is welding it right along the bottom right here, because these are thin and they're rusty, and as you can see there's supposed to be good jack points and a jack up on it, and it wants to crumble. So I'm going to go ahead and weld it, those plates underneath here, to give it some more reinforcement. And then after that's done, we're going to go ahead and get started pulling apart the rear end. Can't see because I don't have any lights on it, but we're going to take care of all that, get it all pulled out. We have to weld up our 210mm diff. We'll get that going and keep plugging away. That'll probably take most of the day for all that, but we're going to go ahead and get started. Alright guys, we are ready, and here is the setup that I have. It's not exactly ideal, pretty limited on space and no lift or anything like that. So I just got the metal cut, and then I have it sandwiched right here, and I got 3 jacks pressing it up against the body, and I'm just going to go ahead and start tacking it up and running some beads along here. And then once this side's done, we'll be able to get up and get underneath the car, and then go ahead and work on the next side. At least that's my plan. We'll see if it works, and yeah, let's go. Alright guys, we had to take a short break because I ran out of argon gas actually, so I went and got some more gas and some more wire to keep welding up. I got the plates underneath the cars, and right now we're making new rockers. We got Chris here, he's going to help out and make my new hydro brake mount for the new brake. Chad's supposed to be coming over later, and this is his project back here. We got the subframe completely coming out. We have a bunch of new mounts to put in and a bunch of reinforcement plates. All of these right here, tons of them to weld in. The garage is giving me anxiety because it's such a freaking mess right now. There's crap everywhere. Luckily with 3 guys. So yeah, what I did, you can see, I've got these big old nice 1/4 inch steel thick plates underneath the car so we can jack it up without crushing through the unibody. And then I'm making these nice rocker covers so it doesn't look like complete crap. And that's where we're at right now. That's the update, and I might do a little time lapse to show you some more. we are all done. Chris here mounted up the brand new drift brake that we have, and he ended up plumbing the lines, so we have the drift brake powering just the rear wheels, and then the foot brake is actually just for the front wheels. And then what I was working on is I got 1/4 inch that plate steel underneath, and then we got these rocker panels, which as you can see look decent compared to what they are. And on this side, keep going around, it's pretty decent. Then we got the subframe started. There's a bunch more to do, but we're tired and we want some beer and some food. So we're gonna call it a day. I mean, that's what I want too. Oh, hey, we can go through the list. Hey, grab a marker, Chris. I'll let you mark off what we've done. Okay, no, we didn't do that, didn't do that, didn't do that.
See you later.
Yeah, run lines to the rear. Yeah, that's making the hydro brake work.
See you later.
Yep, did
Rear
that.
lines. See you later.
Yeah, the chassis, that'll be, I'll probably might work on that tomorrow. Control arms, subframe bushings, yeah. Oh, rockers, did rockers. Rail supports, did that too. Yeah.
Yeah, heck yeah.
Oh, hey, I should have did probably the drive shaft loop over under there, but we did good progress. Doing good. All right, that's all. We'll see you.